Does it look familiar? I thought this was a knife that I fixed last year, but it's not. It's a different one. And it's smashed real good. Look at that, huh? It's very jagged. I don't know. It's gonna be. I'm thinking. What I was thinking was tacking it back together and then cutting it, trying to get some kind of a straight edge on it. Let's see. It's going to be interesting. Doesn't go together very good, that's for sure. It is maybe what I can do is tack both corners and then put a grinder cut in here to get something to weld to. I'll try that. That should do it, but I did grind out my tack a little bit. But that's okay, it didn't come apart. So. Now the fun part, weld in the hole. Might be it. Maybe one more pass around there. Looks like it was done by a machine. A machine that was having a bad day. Oh, that should hold it. I'll let it cool down naturally. I could quench it, but I don't have any oil to quench it in. Cool, huh? Probably shine her up a bit too, since we're here. If you look at the video on the last one I fixed, the blade had big chunks knocked out of it. It's a little warm. This one don't. If you wanted to, you could make this into a razor. That's freaking sharp. It's got a little bit of a grinding edge on there. I tell you what, man, that is sharp. It might not look like much. The way the hedge goes like this, you know, it's wavy. But for what it's used for, cutting firewood, killing chickens, cutting up dinner. The multi-tool that is rural Thailand. If you don't have one of these, you just don't belong. Ah, there it is, guys. Made somebody else's day a little bit better. I don't know who, and I'll probably never know, and I'm okay with that. Something the wife dragged home. 10 minutes, I got her put back together. If not, it would have been in the recycling bin, you know. And if it breaks again, oh well, try again. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching.